Hi, I'm Skylar. Hi, I'm Drew. Hi, welcome to the little lab.
And what are y'all doing today?
We're cutting strawberries for the pancakes.
For the pancakes, okay.
We're making breakfast pancakes.
Show me how to cut. What do you do first?
You cut off the green. It's pretty hard to cut off. Yeah. You can just take it off like this. I got it. And then you cut off the white and the green because that's what you don't use. And then you cut the strawberries. And you're going to have to take off some of the green parts that was on there. And then, well, there's some flour gluing. And we cut them into small little pieces. And then cut the other one down. Cherry. And I cut it into this piece. And then, if you don't want to cut it, then you have to ask your mom to cut it. You have to ask your mom to do this if you can cut strawberries. And he's right here holding the camera. And we're gonna be cutting like for a long time. That looks like a downton, Skylar. I know.
Why are you doing that?
And you just keep cutting, Warren. Mommy's sitting down. Yeah. And she's sitting on a birdhouse.
That's huge.
Yeah, I can't. There's some rock on it. Okay, move this one. Then you do the same thing again. Be careful. But be careful. But we have Professor Shigi. Professor Shigi is holding the light.
I'm gonna fall.
You're Professor Shigi. Okay. I got it big.
Skylar, tell us something about yourself.
Well, I always like going to school every day. Well, guys, there's a bird. Today's summer. Mommy, there's a baby bird. And I love doing stuff. Turn the camera to the baby bird. And about my life, I love playing with my friends when it's recess. They have the cool playgrounds. And I miss them because it's summer, but I don't have my iPhone anymore, so that means I'm going inside the school, and I can get all my stuff ready again, get my lunch on my own, with my own lunch, and get my backpack and all my schoolwork. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. If I be good, I get a smiley face sticker. If I be bad, I don't know what that means.
Drew, tell us something about you.
I just want to go to the park, but I always go to daycare, and they have toys in the kitchen, a new kitchen, and Mom always reading me a big story that costs kids, and that it costs $2, and they don't let me get the big fancy machine. That's it. That costs $2. That's gum. And if you keep cutting, you'll get better at cutting when you grow up. You have to be very careful. If you know do you want to know what happens if you cut off your finger? You bleed and get a bandage. No, your whole finger would get cut off like this, like that. And then you need to make sure your mom's watching you how to be safe, how you are, because you need to be very safe with these. Hi, I'm Skylar. Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to the little lab. Today for breakfast, we're going to be eating pancakes and bacon and whipped cream with strawberries. Okay, so this is how you do it. You shake it, and you do this. Skylar. And then you put the cream on. My turn. That's enough. Wait. My turn. Don't put too much because you'll get too shitty. Then you put on the strawberries. What is that? Dude, that's gonna go in your face.
Over. And then you push this down. You ready?
Then you push it down inside the strawberries.
You done now?
No, I want to get some on my face. Okay, now let's put bacon and strawberries. And then you get some bacon. Oh yeah, I forgot. Bacon. Some bacon to it to make it look beautiful. Now, if you want a smiley face, you can make a smiley face or a weird face because it's a person. And here's my pancake person. And I have some applesauce to do. And this is going to be good breakfast. Is it, Gigi? And we're going to eat it to try it. Good. It's pretty hard to get on it. It's yummy and delicious. So good. If you want to try this, you can ask your mom to do a cooking show. Yeah. And you subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell. Hit that down below so we can get. We need you. Bye. Bye.